Hey ladies, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. If you're new around here, my name is Mabel. I love to create fashion, beauty and lifestyle videos. So if you love any of that, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell. And also follow me on my social media, Instagram, Mabel in Hamburg. So let's get started. So today's video is going to be an unboxing and of this goodies here. Actually, this has been on my wish list for so long, so I will link the first video I did with the try on, so I'm gonna link it up, so if you want to check. And so this is my everyday lipstick, and that's my daughter. So let's get started. And so this is let's see what we got here. And actually I purchased this item, oh my goodness, I think over 2 months now, and I don't know, I'm finding it difficult to do the unboxing, and because I'm so busy with the Zara try-on hauls, and so I think today is the end. So this thing needs to get out of the box. So let's get started. And that's the box. Let me remove this ribbon. And it comes as usual with the Chanel paper wrap. So it has this, I don't know if you guys can see, with the Chanel prints. So with the box, I think you can tell what's in here. So with the box, you can tell definitely. So let's get started. So actually the item here, we're gonna unbox it together, and unboxing, reveal and styling tips. So I will be giving tips on how definitely I will be styling this purchase here. So let's get started. Oh, this beautiful camellia. Let me remove it. I normally keep my camellias. This is my beautiful camellia. Stay there. No, I think here I can say So actually, since I purchased this item, and I haven't really checked no try on after the store try on when I was purchasing it. And so I don't even know if I got my actual size in there. And you guys know, when you purchase item from Chanel, they take it in and they make this beautiful ribbon on it. So I'm so sure that my essay will always get me what I wanted and exactly the size I tried on. And okay, so let me not talk too much. So guys, let's see. Da, 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 da. So it comes with a proof of purchase. This is the proof of purchase. So let me cover my details. Yeah, so this is the proof of purchase, and yeah. And this is a little care instruction booklet, and these are the dust bag, like if you're traveling, and so you just pull the, yeah, with the 2 dust bag, you guys know already is a pair of shoes, and yeah, you just put it on the dust bag, in the dust bag. So what's here? Oh, okay, let's, oh my goodness, this was exactly what I used to try them on, and she also kept them in here. Oh my god, with this little Chanel box. And oh my god, ooh, it's a pair of Chanel Slingbacks. Oh my god, look at this beautiful pink, guys. Oh my goodness, this pink is to die for. Oh my god. This is really beautiful. So I purchased this Chanel Slingbacks, and yeah, the size was here. Oh, the price, it still has the price tag in there. So the size 39C. I wanted the classic one, the beige and black, but I saw this on Instagram where someone posted it, and they also have the lower version of it, like without the chunky heels. And this color, you guys know I love pink, especially this beautiful pink. And yeah, when I saw this, I just screenshot the picture I saw on Instagram, and I forwarded to my SA, and she said okay, we don't have it here in Hamburg, but she's gonna place an order, and maybe it will also come with the new items they might receive. My first ever sling bag. So I love the sling bag so much. Good, everybody normally says it looks like a grandma shoes, and it's this, it's that, but I think it's so comfortable with this chunky heels. And for couple of years now, like I'm really going for flat heels, like 5 centimeter heels, and yeah, I just kind of like feel more comfortable with the 5 centimeter heels, or actually no heels, you know. And this is so elegant, like you can style it casual, and if you're also going out in the evening to a wedding, to any event, you can also wear it. Like a normal day when you're going shopping, you can also wear it, you know. So you can style it with jeans, with gowns, with dress, with whatever, boyfriend jeans. Oh my goodness. Definitely I will be styling it with boyfriend jeans, skinny jeans, and yeah, so it's gonna be kind of my everyday. But because I love this color, I don't know if I will be using it every day. No. And I'm still planning to get the beige black, the more popular, you say, or the more, oh, they are all classic, but just the color difference. So yeah, so definitely in the future I will be getting more of this. I want the tweed one as well. I want the classic beige black, and I want the tweed also in pink tweed. And yeah, so let's see what the future brings. And I think, yeah, I'm loving it. So I will be styling them with, yeah, like I said, boyfriend jeans, skinny jeans, dresses, skirts, and yeah. So guys, this is how I will be styling it, like wearing my jeans from C&A, and I will be putting the link on the description button, and also the blouse from Zara. Yeah, it looks amazing. Wearing this with my Ghani top and the jeans from Frame, and yeah. So loves, we've come to the end of the video, And if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to do so. Hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And also follow me on Instagram, Mabel in Hamburg. And yeah, so see you on my next video. Bye. Love you all to the moon and